Stopgap graded aggregate is supplied in 25 kilogram bags and can be added to some Stopgap smoothing underlayments during mixing to economically increase the volume of the smoothing underlayment for thicker section applications. Mix the Stopgap smoothing underlayment as instructed, then slowly add the required amount of aggregate until thoroughly mixed. The mix can then be applied to the subfloor. To confirm which Stopgap smoothing underlayments can be filled and the correct weight of aggregate to be added, please consult the individual Stopgap range technical datasheets, Stopgap selector chart or f.ball technical service.